Hi! Welcome back! For today's recipe, what I'm gonna show you is the most famous Filipino dish of all, chicken adobo. There are a lot of versions of this dish. It depends where you live. Like us in our province, we call it chicken adobo. Some people use soy sauce and some people don't. So what I'm gonna show you today is my own version. I'm gonna show you two recipes. One basic adobo and my own version and my favorite version of all. It is a dry chicken adobo. I hope you will like it. Watch it from the beginning until end so that you'll get the recipe right. Here it is! Soy! For the ingredients, we have crushed garlic and chopped roughly, finely chopped onions, black pepper corn, ground black pepper, bay leaves, salt, neutral cooking oil, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, and of course, chicken thigh. I choose chicken thigh for this dish because it's easy to cook and it won't get burned easily. This is how I start my basic chicken adobo recipe. I start with neutral cooking oil and then the garlic. Cook the garlic until it's tender. And onion. And then the chicken thigh, skin side down. Then I add a bit of salt. I like to use thigh because it's flavorful, fatty, and it's very hard to overcook. So it will be easy for you to cook, mga soy. Especially for those non-Filipino friends out there. At this stage, I've been cooking it for nearly 15 minutes now. And I think we have rendered some fats from the chicken. I think it's ready for the next ingredients now. After 15 minutes of pan frying, I'll add 2 teaspoons of black pepper corn, 5 bay leaves, vinegar, one cup of soy sauce, ground black pepper, sugar, 1 tablespoon, and try to mix it, soy. Let it simmer in medium fire. Let's check it, soy. Check it every now and then so that it won't get burned. Try to stir it or turn it every now and then. Yung chicken mo, soy, make sure it's evenly cooked on all sides. If you have noticed, soy, I always cook a lot because I have 2 sons, which is Anton, who is 15 years old now, and Coco, 5 years old. So I always cook maramihan para may makain sila palagi. And then let's close it, soy. Okay, let's check it. This is half an hour of cooking. So malapit na siya, soy. Look at that. So this is after half an hour of cooking, soy. So look at that. Looks good. So what we're trying to achieve is, so let's yung sauce natin should be thick enough, but not like a soup. Probably we'll cook this for 5 more minutes, and then I think it will be ready. Soy, after 5 minutes, so this is 35 minutes of cooking time. As you can see, luto na to. So we can turn off the fire now. Okay, look at that soy. Let's cook now. This is your version 1. 1 pan, 1 process adobo. Soy, you can tell when your adobo is cooked when your sauce is like this. Thick, but not too thick like soup. This will be perfect soy for your rice. Version 1 done. Okay, soy, version 2 na to. So what I did is remove all the chicken and put it in a separate container. Next stage will be frying. Konti lang soy. To take our adobo one step further, I'm gonna fry it. This will add a new flavor to our chicken. So that's what I want, the brown color in it. That will make it more juicy and flavorful. This is how I like my chicken. This is perfect now, and back to the pan. So after pan frying, I cook this again for 5 more minutes so that it will be extra tender and juicy. At this point, I add another spoon of sugar. I like mine a bit sweet. As I've said earlier on, this is not the traditional version of adobo. This is my version of adobo. That soy. Next level adobo. After 5 minutes, that's it. Luto na soy. Let's taste it na mga soy! Yaman na soy!